My little summer dress today, I'm trying to coordinate my makeup to my outfit. That's what I always try to do. I'm gonna share with you guys today on this hot summer day in Texas what my everyday makeup routine has been looking like. This video is not sponsored, but these are all brands that I love. Okay, so let's do this. I want to just get my face a little hydrated. Bobbi Brown's Bare Glow. This is a moisture balm. Instantly, I feel like my skin is already looking alive and beautiful. Nice and glowy. Let me scoot up. It's been a while. That's a real thing. Any moms out there, like your makeup look really like it affects. Okay, my skin is nicely hydrated. I'm gonna be using today actually the lip tinted little stick right here in Perk. I love this because it's like the perfect peachy tone just for color correcting underneath the eyes and then the mustache area, which tends to get a little blue and green, the unibrow, you know, anything that's kind of bluish green, you got to use a peach color corrector. That's what I do first to just cancel out some of those tones that you don't want to come through the foundation, the concealer. And then just with my ring finger, I'm just like literally doing a rough blend. I don't want to do too much because then you can kind of run the risk of moving it around, it fading away, and you just want it to really like hide that pigment. We're not going to be doing foundation. I just want a very simple concealer that is easily blendable, something with a creamy base, but nothing too watery and greasy. I really love this stick from Merit. This is like a really great cover-up stick, and it's just really great for the everyday. Under the eyes, obviously, kind of there, a little bit there, around my nose. Obviously, any blemish prone areas, like, see, I was just like going in, popping those pimps today. Definitely give that some love. I really like this when paired with this, the Bobbi Brown first. I don't know, but the two work really well together in consistency so that it just looks really natural on the face and it just blends so easily. So I'm gonna actually use a combination of blending techniques from the Beauty Blender. It's a little damp and I'm going to, yes, I didn't wash it. Oh snap, here come the trolls. Don't hate, I'm busy these days, mom life. But here's the deal, just don't go longer than 2 weeks, okay? But listen, life happens. You're lucky, like I said, if you even get to sit down and do your makeup some days. Just be happy. I even am blending my makeup right now, okay? Okay, great. And if I need to like go back over certain areas with my finger to just make it look even more natural, just in those lines and those creases, just make sure your hands are clean. Keep some sanitizer in your makeup bag. I literally have a chiropractor appointment in like 30 minutes. I don't know why I decide to sit here and just like do this at the worst times. What is going on here? My little house on the prairie dress is doing some scandalous things, like stay put. But I also don't know why I'm gonna be going like looking like this to the chiropractor. Like I've got on like a summer dress, I'm about to get my back cracked. Like I just pick the craziest times and occasions to get dolled up, right? I'm gonna go in with the Secret Brightening Powder underneath the eyes. I'm gonna use my handy dandy fan brush. It's just one of my favorite ways to, I just ended up spilling some. So with this brush, again, to just keep it natural and light, I'm going to apply it underneath the eyes and bring it down. This is literally just like the easiest routine. For the rest of my face, I'm going to add the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is in the shade 3. It's a little bit darker than the 2. It's just perfect to kind of like give your skin that even finish, not make it look so pale. In the summertime, I have to powder my face. You're gonna run the risk of it just all your makeup moving around and it just not being cute.
Good in here?
Oh my God, how long have you been in here?
I just came in.
Oh God, you scared me. My husband. Leave my Whitney Houston t-shirt alone.
I need it for a skit.
These skits of yours are gonna be the death of me. Okay, now I'm gonna bronze up my face even more using She's Sculpted. It is a cream and powder duo from Patrick Ta. The bottom is the powder. I'm gonna go in with the Lawless blush brush, blend up like this just to lift up. In the summertime, there is no such thing as over bronzing, okay? Actually, there is, be careful, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna contour this nose a little bit with that same bronzer. Kind of putting the bronzer under my mouth a little bit to contour it. It just instantly makes your lips look a little bit juicier. I've been loving the Merit. It's the Glow Stick in CAVA. It's a highlighting balm. Ooh, look at that. It is just like melting onto the skin. The hardest part is not overdoing it because man, it just look, it glides on like butter. Obviously, you gotta blend it in. And I'm just kind of in a circular motion, staying in this region the best I can, kind of making a C shape around here. I'm going to just do that with my finger. Oh my God, it's so nice. Glowy skin is just like clean skin to me. It just, I love a good glow. Even if you have some breakouts, it's okay. There's no such thing as like perfect skin, but just that illuminating glow just looks so healthy and youthful, and I just always love it all year round. But it's just which products you use to achieve that glow during the specific season is what matters. I'm gonna use my girl, Christen Dominique's, this is her cream blush. She sent me all the shades, so sweet. This is the Warm Peach Cream Blush. And I'm gonna do a little bit of cream on the cheeks. I just think it's gonna complement the glow that I've already got going on. I love peaches. I like everything peach. Now, if only I had a peach booty shape. Hey, I'm working on it. Just gonna get my NARS Dolce Vita blush, which is one of my favorites for my color skin tone. And I'm just gonna use that same Lawless brush that I used for my bronzer. There's still a little bit of bronzer on there, but who cares? Just gonna like, just give it just a little pat. It's going to keep that cream like something to just set it on. Put a little bit on the nose. That's sun-kissed. I just woke up like this glow. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's brow pencil. This is their Total Temptation 310 medium brown. And I'm just going to fill in those little areas, little strokes. And then obviously if you have to fill it in, you can, like I am right here, this area I want to fill, but I'm still kind of going with the flow, the stroke down. I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Minimalist. This is in Burnish, and I'm just going to add this really light sultry pink. It's very light pink, almost looks nude. Mascara I'm using is from Buxom Cosmetics because it's my go-to. You know how people always say if you're stranded on an island, what's one product you can't live without? I can definitely live without mascara because, oh my gosh, it can get so messy so quick. I salvaged the look, thank God. I'm gonna be using the Buxom. Oh my God, I love these lip liners, okay? This is the Power line. It's like a plumping up lip liner. And I just like how thick it is. Like, it just, couple strokes, you're good. It is a brown. I'm trying to eat Amari, so for her sake, I should keep it subtle. And then I'm gonna do the NYX Butter Gloss. Ooh, I love these. This is in Sugar High. It's so good and it just tastes so delicious. Look at how pretty. It's the perfect nude. I'm just gonna finish it off with Tula's Antioxidant Water Face Mist. So you can put this on before or after your makeup. It's a really lightweight mist, so. And there you go, guys. That is it. I didn't even wear any eyeliner because everyday makeup, I would say I don't do the most when it comes to the eyes. I just like to focus on the skin and then finish it off with a nice buttery lip. I mean, that's like my everyday go-to. But if I did go on a date night tonight, what I would do is I would probably add a little bit of a darker brown matte eyeshadow just to the ends and lift it up. Make sure again that you guys check out my description box for all the products I used, a breakdown. Check that out below. Thank you so much for watching this video today, for hanging out with me. Until next time, mwah, mwah.